Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 multi-air engine guys, and you're trying to replace your purge valve because you have a bad purge valve or you have engine light that indicates bad purge valve, we'll have the codes in the description of the video below guys. Actually we'll have a video how to test it as well. Make sure you guys you subscribe to the channel. We'll show you how to remove and replace the purge valve today. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out. Now, as you can see, the engine is out of the car. You do not need to remove the engine guys. Why we got it out? Because we have at least 100 videos on that engine alone guys. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we have actually even more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us show you guys, okay, what you need to do. So this is it guys, okay, right here, this is the engine. You can see multi-air 2.4. When you open the hood of your vehicle, that's what the engine looks like. That cover, engine cover, you need to pull it out. Okay, grab and pull. Now let me explain guys, okay, where you have 4 bushings, rubber bushings, 1, 2, okay, 3 here, 4. Those rubber bushings guys, okay, they're attached to these points of the engine. 2, 3, 4, okay, right there. Now when the engine is in the vehicle, you will have the air filter box and you will need to get that clamp loose. Right here, that clamp will need to be loosened so you can remove the hose. After that guys, okay, right here we have 10mm bolt that we need to remove. Okay, and once we remove that bolt, usually guys right here you're going to have one clip, plastic clip. So you need the clip removal too and you need to pry it. Okay, that clip looks just like the ones, okay, right here. You go underneath and you pry them up. After that, this is your intake temperature sensor. Push down, disconnect it. Okay, like that. Now guys, what else we need to do? After that guys, okay, you will need to go ahead and get the hose clamp loose for the throttle body. Let me explain where it's located. Okay, right there. So we're getting this one loose now. Perfect. Now we can go ahead, grab and pull straight up. Now let me explain guys where that purge valve is located. Purge valve guys, okay, is right here. But what do you need to do now? In order to get to the purge valve guys, you will need to actually remove that foam piece right here. Otherwise, you will not be able to get to the purge valve. And you will need to disconnect your fuel line. Now that's a very dangerous job. Never ever do that on a hot engine. Fuel will spray out guys, so there is always a chance to catch on fire. Have a fire extinguisher, avoid open flame guys. I wouldn't recommend to do it. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video guys. In addition, that fuel line will be under pressure, so when you start pulling it out, okay, it may spray in your eyes and it can get you in your eyes, so be careful guys, always use eye protection. So what do we need to do now? Okay, let me explain now what we're going to do. We're going to remove that fuel line guys. That blue thing, okay, right here, we get it with a screwdriver and we pull it up just a little bit in the middle, you can see. Don't pull the whole thing, okay, like that. Now you're going to twist it, okay, this way and push on that thing and start, okay, push the line in, push the white thing in. Now gently start pulling out. Now fuel will come out, it will be under pressure usually here. Okay, like that. Fuel line disconnected. This is the purge valve. Purge valve guys, line, you have 2 green things that you need to grab both of them, squish in and pull out at the same time. Okay, and you get it out. Now that foam piece, it's ready to come out. Just carefully remove it. You can see it says separate for service, but I wouldn't recommend it guys because you have to break that piece. Now this is the purge valve right here guys. Okay, that here, okay, is your connector. You need to slide, okay, that thing should be like that. Somebody didn't lock it last time. You need to slide it all the way back. Now you're going to push down here on it hard and pull it out towards the back side. After that guys, this hose, okay, you can disconnect it from the intake manifold or the purge valve, wherever it comes loose first usually. we go ahead and remove it. Now you grab the purge valve and gently pull it out. If you need to buy the new one, guys, you can see where we get our tools from, our parts. Check out the link in the description of the video below. Putting it together practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.